Okay, cool. Hello. Um, Today I'm going to be discussing chapter 1 of Python, and I'm here with my navigator Lindo.
Hi.
Alright, so yeah, let's jump into it. So, yeah, Python. What is Python? Python is basically a programming language, a high level programming language, and it's widely used for different things as well. So today, basically, first thing we did was installing Python on our computer, and then um, after that, basically just checking if it works on the terminal. So when I access my terminal here, I type Python, and then it allows me to put any prompt here, So, and then I know that it works on my computer. So, yeah, that's after downloading Python, and then on VS Code, basically opened a new folder here, and when you open it on your file, it automatically appears here. So we saved it as my code, and we have chapter 1 here, and we created a file here, which is mypython.py over here, right? And then we have this chapter 2, my variables, which is what we're gonna discuss today. So, firstly, variables, right? So in order to create a variable, like in comparison to JS, you usually have like let or var, but with Python you have the name of the variable and then the value assigned to it over there. So we have name, surname, and the values here as well. So in order to print this, or let me say display this on your console, you use the F string to concatenate and format the final display. So basically the F string is for formatting, right? So over here you have the name of this variable, and then you put F. We use quotations, and we use the curly brackets for each variable that we're gonna put as the sentence, right? So here we have name, right? So we know it's gonna access the value Harry. And we have surname, it's gonna access Maguire. Then we have sentence, then it will access this final sentence over here. So when I run this, sorry, let me do this. Let me comment these out. So when I run this, basically, it will show. I don't know what's going on here, but yeah, this is a mess. Sorry, Lindo, I don't know what's going on. I think I just it's showing everything that I displayed. Yeah.
Showing?
It's showing all the code that I embedded in the thing.
Oh.
So, yeah, so I'm just trying to find the final display for this. But basically it shows this. It will show Harry Maguire, the best bowler, right? So like over here.
Hold down. You want it to show what?
It should
Harry
show this.
Maguire.
Yeah. It should show this file.
Then you hold down what happens. Go to output. Nothing is being generated. Okay.
Which is okay, but let's see. I think this
okay, you know what I think you can do is you can delete everything that's on the terminal. that you don't want, just delete.
Let's do
And
this
then you
one.
rewrite the code again and see what happens. Okay, now it's not giving the output. Okay. Oh, you didn't say
Oh,
print.
we need to
You're
print
not
it.
printing
Of
that
course.
anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, when I print it now, it shows over here.
Okay.
The final
see.
display. But now it's showing.
Okay.
It's showing when we indent it, which is weird. But yeah, we'll get to
You're
that.
saying now it's showing what?
When it's basically indented.
Because when you're saying on your line 10, when you're saying print, inside the print statement, you
Oh,
have
yeah,
the
of
backslash
course.
and the T. Is
Yeah.
why it's indented.
Yeah, I see now. So yeah, that's creating a variable essentially. And then moving on to the whole indenting and moving what's this? Moving part of your string to a new line. If you can look at this here. So with this here, we have print, and we still use this formatting, F, and within the string, we put this this backslash T, right, and hello there, right, and then we use this backslash N backslash, and what these do, firstly, what this does, this backslash T, is basically it will move it to the center over here, right? So hello there will be presented here, and the N backslash will move this next sentence to a new line over here. Welcome to my house. And the same with this over here. It moves it to the new line over here. So that's basically indenting that we did. And then, yeah, this is also another example of indenting as well. So when I run this, it will show here name, age, country, and then the name, which is Tom 21, and then the country, South Africa. Then afterwards we can discuss our strip. So there's different strip methods, right? So we have our strip, and the normal strip as well. So with our strip, basically here we can see there's a space before Tom over here, right? And what our strip does is it removes all the spaces before this string Tom. So when I run this, what happens is Tom is presented here because it removed all the spaces over here. But say we want to use our strip instead, and we create a large space over here. What happens is it will be presented here as well because it removes all the spaces from the right, essentially. So that's our strip and our strip. And then, yeah, then we use this function remove prefix over here. So how that works is first you have a variable and then you assign a string to that variable. Then basically when you print the variable, right, or the value within the variable, you say print my link, and you use this function dot remove prefix, and within the what's this, parenthesis, you will insert what you want to remove, the prefix you want to remove over here, right? So when you run that, what happens is this is removed from this string over here. basically. So yeah, that's the remove prefix function. Is it a function or a method? I don't know. It's a method, right?
Yeah, it's a method.
It's a method, yeah. And then also defining, we can put multiple variables within one line, basically. So over here is an example of putting multiple variables within one line. So we have name, surname, age, gender, and then we assign the different values to each variable over here. So assigned here we have Jack, and then we have 55, which is here for the age, and then we have male for gender, right? And yeah, that just shows, that will, yeah, it will basically show when you call it, basically. So let's say I say print name, it will access the variable name, and it will access the value of name, which is Jack. So when I run it, Jack is presented over here on the terminal. So that's basically putting multiple variables in one line. And then yeah, then we have this importing this the module, which is Zen of Python over here. So basically how we would do that is, let's see. So firstly you would say import this, right? And wait, I won't have the, let me quickly copy and paste it for my notes. Let's see. Yeah, over here. So what this does is, you're gonna import basically a file, and it will print what is in that file, basically. So here we're gonna import this, and when we run it, it basically displays all of this stored in that file, right? So it's just a way of automatically displaying the values within the Zen of Python, basically. And yeah, that's basically a summary of chapter 2, variables. So yeah, Lindo, is there anything you want to add?
No, there's nothing.
Okay,
Thank you.
cool. Alright, thank you for watching. Ciao.